Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.5 of chapter sets from question number 5. I have discussed the solutions of previous exercise in the some few classes, so you can check the playlist. Now, look here, number 5, draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Number 1, A union B complement. Number 2, A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B complement and A complement union B complement. So for Venn diagram, you have to draw first universal set, and universal set represented by a rectangle, say this one U, and middle version, say this one A, this one B. A set, B set. A union B, middle portion, A union B, this one. A union B. You can draw the diagram. This part is A union B. So, A union B complement. So, this part, dot dot part is A union B complement. This part is A union B complement. This one A union B complement. Which part? Dot dot part. A union B complement. Next, A complement intersection B complement. Say this one A, this one B, A complement. So, A complement means this part, A complement. This part A complement, except A, this one A complement, A complement. And another is B complement. So, B complement except B. So, B complement is this part. Except B, all elements. This one. So, these horizontal lines are A complement and vertical this one B complement, and A complement intersection B complement, then the elements both belongs to A complement and both belongs to B complement. So, middle portion this one, overlapping portion is A complement, intersection B complement. Which one? Which portion? Overlapping portion. Overlapping portion is A complement, intersection B complement. Next, A intersection B whole complement. So, say this one A, this one B, universal set U. Next, A intersection B, this part, middle part is A intersection B, this one A intersection B. A intersection B complement. So, A intersection B complement means this part, dot dot part, whole part. This one A intersection B complement. This is a Venn diagram of A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. You can write this part, dot dot part is A intersection B complement. Next, A complement union B complement. So this one Venn diagram for universal set. This one U, A, this one B, this one A, this one B. A complement. So, A complement is this part. This one A complement, except A, all elements belongs to this one A complement. Next, B complement, elements belongs to U but not belongs to B. So, this one, this part. This part. So, A complement union B complement, that means except this one. All A complement union B complement. That means A intersection B complement is same as A complement union B complement. So this one A complement union B complement, whole overlapping portion. You can draw the diagram. Next question number 6. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, what is A complement? Here given A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree. Then what is A complement? That means A complement is set of all equilateral triangles. Solution is A complement set of all equilateral triangles, because every angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Each angle is equal, so all angles are 60 degree. Next, number 7. Fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. Here A union A complement. If you draw a Venn diagram, say this one A, and A complement means this part, this one U. So A union A complement means whole, that means this one U. Fill in the blanks. Phi complement intersection A. Phi complement. Phi means there is no element. Phi complement means U. So U intersection A. That means you will get A. This one A. Next, A intersection A complement. A intersection A complement. There is no common element. So this one phi. U complement means phi. Intersection A, that means phi. You will get phi. So exercise 1.5 is over. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.